Imagine your child is diagnosed with a rare disease. There's no cure, not because it's impossible, but because no one's had time to find it. It takes on average 10 to 15 years and billions of dollars to bring a single new drug to market. What if AI could cut that time in half, or even more? Picture a world where new medicines are discovered not in decades, but in months. Every delay in drug discovery costs lives. Faster breakthroughs could mean new cancer treatments, vaccines for future pandemics, or cures for rare diseases that today have none. Traditionally, scientists test millions of molecules in the lab, slowly narrowing down to a few candidates. AI flips that process. Instead of pipettes and petri dishes, imagine billions of simulations running overnight, each one narrowing the search faster than any human team could. By training on massive datasets of chemical structures and biological data, algorithms can predict which molecules are most likely to work before they're ever made in a lab. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, except AI can scan the entire haystack in seconds and tell you which straws are worth picking up. Until recently, computers could model molecules, but only in very limited ways. Advances in deep learning, especially with protein folding models like DeepMind's AlphaFold, changed the game. Suddenly, predicting how molecules behave became far more accurate. Today, pharma giants and startups alike are racing into AI drug discovery. Companies like In Silico Medicine, Benevolent AI, and Google DeepMind are already generating promising drug candidates. One such drug, developed by In Silico Medicine, targets idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, a deadly lung disease. It went from concept to clinical trial in under 18 months. In fact, some AI-designed drugs are now in early human trials. If AI keeps advancing, we may see new medicines developed in years instead of decades, transforming how we fight cancer, Alzheimer's, or even the next global pandemic. But there are risks, too. False predictions, ethical questions about patents, and the danger of trusting algorithms too much. Who's accountable if an AI-designed drug fails? And how do we ensure transparency when the decision-making process is buried in code? Still, the promise is staggering. AI could reshape the entire pharmaceutical industry, and with it, the future of human health. AI isn't just learning to talk or draw pictures. It's learning to design the very drugs that could save lives. Would you trust an AI-designed medicine? Let us know in the comments. What breakthroughs do you hope AI will unlock next? If you enjoy exploring the future, subscribe to Tomorrow Today. New videos every week.